Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to sync Roblox Studio to VS Code for a professional coding workflow, let's see how to do that. Firstly, open VS Code. Then go to the Extensions tab on the left sidebar. Search for Rojo and click Install. Select Manage it for me when the landing page appears. Now create a new folder on your desktop. In VS Code, go to File, Open Folder, and select that folder. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus P to open the command palette. Type Rojo and select Rojo Initialize. Delete the default code in the default.project.json, then pass the configuration shown in the screen. Then save by pressing Ctrl plus S. Now in the Explorer tab, right-click and create a new folder named Server Storage. Inside it, create 3 subfolders like Client, Server, and DB. Create your LUA files inside these folders and ensure files end with LUA. Now, in VS Code, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P, then type Rojo, and then select Rojo Start Server. Open Roblox Studio, click Rojo button in your Plugins tab, and in the Rojo window that appears on the bottom right, select Connect. And that's how you do it, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if it helped you out. Let me know in the comments below what should I do next, and I will see you on the next one.